Hello? Hello, hello. Look up. I'm just curious, Brad. How do you do this? Like, I haven't even pinged anyone yet. How do you come here so quickly? Hydrate? I can't. I'm drinking sulfuric acid right now. Let's continue equilibrium. So we mastered that one. Actually, is there perchance a master? Yes, there is a mastery challenge. Oh my goodness. Reddit's creepiest. How did you do on the mock? I'm assuming you mean like, is there like a mock AP Chem exam? Is that what you mean? Because I don't know what you mean. If that's what you mean, I don't know. I haven't done one. Anyways, let's do mastery challenge, guys. Hello, Felipe, by the way. Hello, Lee. Math X. Okay. Yeah. It's greater. Excuse me. No, then Reddit's creepiest. I don't know. I gotta get a chat here, like a live chat, so you guys can actually see when your message pops up because there's a bit of a delay. So you might say something and then I don't respond to it unless I just say like something random. Um, you know, after like a couple seconds and there's no context to it. But yeah, no, I have not done a mock AP Chem exam. Is that like official, or do you mean just like on Khan Academy, like the course challenge? Uh, jeez. If it's greater than that, it means this is actually false. Um, Associates less. Actually, just it's more. No, Lee, I'm sorry. Oh, an AP classroom. We'll do that today, actually. We will do that. No, I'm sorry, Lee. I just can't focus. I just won't be able to. I'm drinking urine. I'm checking. No, no, I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't know. I do not know if you want me to expose your name. Might as well say your social security number now. Okay, buddy. Okay. This is so. This will be. I don't think it's true. I think it's a different scale. DPOH smaller. Would this be correct? Hey, hold on. My cat is eating some weird. Not joking. My cat was just eating like a high voltage module. Yeah, GG. It might be cooked. So this is not true. This is not true. This is not true. So this must be this. Yes. Okay. Can we like stop? Whatever, bro. Just I'll let my cat be. Calculator. H. So That means we got, oh, this is easy. It's just times and then square root. So times 10 to the power of -9 and then times 0.35. You're just like at this point you just memorize equations. I mean, I'm fine with that, right? And then we just square root this. Okay, so that's totally fine, right? 4, 5. One, two, three, four, five. It's -5. I hope this is correct. Yes. Okay, this one's easy, so let's just double this. This is gonna be the highest y, z, x. So bear to 25, which oh, fuck. Actually, this is a low-key PMO, bro. TS PMO. Well, that means that get decimals open. So we got 10 to the power of -14 divided by 2. I know. See, but then it does these weird things. And that's the reason why I have to actually check what it is. And then there's a times 10. Am I tweaking out? What? Okay, whatever. I don't care. Oh, I think it's... No, it's the opposite. It's... times 10 minus... Right? No. And then... Man, I don't get paid enough for this. I'll just do like... -8, and then... What's that? 8. What the sigma? Wait, am I actually just tweaking out right now? Yeah, so that's equal to this. Which means that... I no music today, Felipe, sorry. Well, maybe I'll add music later, right? So I think I'm just tweaking out right now, right? Okay. Whoopsies. This is 10 times larger than this. I think I just the power -14, and then I think still, I think I'm like, yeah. So whatever, 14 minus. We can use our brain. Negative log of, so that'll be 6. What? Okay, I don't get this. Am I just slow? This is AP. Oh, Joshua, what's up? Oh, that does work too, I guess. Yeah. Joshua, I'm be real with you. I don't know what I'm doing either, so there you go. So that means that it's what? 6.5. That's fine. Whatever. Right. Felipe, this is just like, I don't know, like it's a big exam. Just shows your how much chemistry you know. It's like I think college level chemistry or something. I don't know. So it's gonna be, what is it gonna be? Lowest, which means so 3. Okay, and that's 2 significant figures. Wait, that would be, yeah. So 0, 7, 4. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. I got that question wrong multiple times because I put 0.7 instead of 7.4. So annoying. Let's go back to acid base. Chicken day. What did I just say? Well, I don't know. You can show that to universities, I guess, Felipe, if you get a good grade, and then like you just. I'm pretty sure you can skip a couple classes or get like credits, university credits for it. I don't know, something like that.
3COOH. We've already figured out that the concentration of acetic acid is equal to the concentration of the acetate anion. Therefore, the concentration of the acetate anion,
Yeah, so universities and colleges, whatever, they like the good
divided by the concentration of acetic acid is just equal to 1. And the log of 1 is equal to 0. So let's go ahead and write that in here. The log of 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, the pH of the buffer solution is equal to 4.74 plus 0, or just 4.74. So whenever the concentration of the weak acid is equal to the concentration of the conjugate base, the pH of the buffer solution is equal to the pKa of the weak acid.
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do the exercise and look at the hints, because I don't want to listen to all of that. Okay, we're gonna watch the video first.
The weak acid. Let's look at another particulate diagram. We still have an acetic acid acetate buffer solution. However, this is a different buffer solution than the previous problem. So let's count our particles. For acetic acid, there are 6 particles, and for the acetate anion, there are only 4. Since we have more acetic acid particles,
which is pH is equal to pKa plus. Don't they give you like a formula sheet for this? Do I have to memorize any of this? I mean, I don't know. Probably is Felipe. I don't know about the Brazilian exams. For whatever, I don't care. Let's figure this one out. There's no way we can't just use intuition to figure this out, right, guys? So pH 8.55 equals 8.55. What? Oh. What the sigma, bro? Adding which of the following to a 100 million. Joshua, will they ask you to actually explain like how this works, or would you just have to like write down answers? Like, will there be a question? Answer this and explain why and how. I think this is just. What is this? No. I want to shoot my server over. This makes no sense. So is this? I'm just guessing here now, guys. Hold on. Yeah, let's kill ourselves. So why does that not work, bro? What else? Keep going. What the is this? Let's go to unit 9. I know I'm jumping all over the place, but also, what are you gonna do about it? I don't care.
The concept of
Okay, let's actually listen to bro talk.
entropy is related to the idea of microstates. And to think about microstates, let's consider 1 mole of an ideal gas, so remember N represents moles, at a specific pressure, volume, and temperature. If the system of gas particles is at equilibrium, then the pressure, the volume, the number of moles, and the temperature all remain the same. So from a macroscopic point of view, nothing seems to be changing. However, from a microscopic point of view,
Abraham, like, what do you mean? Yeah. Well, how else are you supposed to do it? Are you supposed to, like, hire someone to study for you? Yeah, I'm self-studying. I just want to finish this, like, the AP Chem unit on Khan Academy, and then just, like, do the course challenge, like, 15 times over and over again to get, like, 100% on it, and then look at some other sources, like the mock exam I was told about earlier. Thanks for leaving.
things are changing all of the time. So looking at our gas particles here in the first box, imagine these gas particles slamming into the sides of the container and maybe slamming into each other and transferring energy from one particle to another. So if we think about the particles in our system at one moment in time in box 1, if we think about them at a different moment in time in box 2, the particles might be in slightly
Oh no, I'm self-studying then. I'm not actually taking a class. I'm just taking the exam.
different positions, and the velocities might have changed. Remember that the speed of a particle tells us how fast the particle is traveling. However, when we put an arrow on each particle, that also gives us the direction. And the magnitude and the direction give a velocity. So these arrows on these particles are meant to represent the velocities of the particles.
Nice. Are you using Khan Academy, or which one? What are you using for self-studying?
And the kinetic energy of each particle is equal to 1/2 mv squared, where m is the mass of each particle and v is the velocity. A microstate refers to a microscopic arrangement of all of the positions and energies of the gas particles. Since we're dealing with an ideal gas here, by energies we're referring to the kinetic energies of the particles. So going back to our
Nice.
boxes, box 1, box 2, and box 3, each box shows a
I'm just kind of all
different
over the place.
microscopic arrangement of positions and energies of the gas particles. Therefore, each box represents one microstate. A good way to think about a microstate would be like taking a picture of our system of gas particles. So from a macroscopic
Yo, so maybe I've consumed a lot of sugary substances, so my brain is currently has a lot of what do you call it? I don't know, energy. But am I the only one who thinks this guy's just like yapping? Just give me the equation, tell me what it does. Like, I don't care. If this goes from gas to liquid, that means, what does that mean? It means it's taking in energy. So this has to be positive. No, it's giving off energy. My goodness, I was thinking about solid to liquid. So this will be negative, and I guess this is going to be more positive because it's higher entropy. Will it both be negative? Okay, explain to me. Yes. The gaseous or liquid contains smaller volume. Decreased entropy. Okay. I mean, some pretty cool graphics here. It's cool. Entropy's higher. See, we didn't have to listen to bro yap for 2 minutes, I think. Carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Where's my cat? Am I actually like tweaking? Oh, my cat is over there. Whoopsies. Um, Substance. Yeah. Standard entropy change for the reaction. Products minus reactants. Oh, really? $220. What? Charlie, come here. Charlie. Sorry, my cat is just like. Okay. Am I stupid? Oh, yes, I am. For 6. I am very stupid. It's products minus reactants for a reason, not reactants minus products. Well, entropy is gonna get lowered here because there's less molecules. Same here. Well, here there's overall less molecules as well. Kill yourself. I guess because it's solid. 1 out of 4 correct. Wow. Okay, maybe this stream was a mistake. Okay, I'm be real. I don't think anybody is watching. But if you are, oh crap. Whoopsies. I'm just gonna dip. Because I think it's better if I study by myself. What? I'll stream something cool tomorrow. Or, I'm sorry for someone asked me to record what do you call it? Let's do a stream so they can watch it afterwards. Who joined my someone who joined my server. But I'm sorry. Oh crap, what? There's 6 people now? Interesting. Anyways, either way. Sorry for the 6 people who just joined, but I'm gonna dip now. I know stream hasn't been very long, but I think it's better if I study for myself. Yeah. Good luck everyone on your AP exams. I might do a stream tomorrow too. We will see. And by the way, I have to do a shameless plug. If you want to join my Discord server, it's in my About Me page. I'm sorry. And also, here's my cat. And now I'm gonna dip. Good. Bye.